Hello everybody! Today we're gonna draw a helicopter. Yes! Yes, we said we're gonna Okay, we're gonna draw McQueen next, okay? So we're gonna draw a helicopter. We're gonna use red, blue, and this is light green, or we might call it olive. So we're gonna use these three colors, 1, 2, 3. We're gonna start with a body of the helicopter. It will be green.
Yellow.
You think this is yellow?
Yellow.
Okay, so this is a body of the helicopter. Now 2 windows. 1, 2. The windows look like quarter of a circle. So each window is a quarter of a circle. Now we're gonna fill up the body of the helicopter. No? Okay. So the body is filled up with green. It's light green, so it might look like bright yellow or white, but it's light green. Now we need landing base for a helicopter. It's a base. Landing base. There you go. Landing. And now for blades on the top, so the helicopter can fly. 3, 4. Okay, we have 4 red blades. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now a little wing in the end, like this. Now the helicopter is ready. Goodbye.
Goodbye.